Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice Livecast, and thanks for joining in today. This is where we attempt to answer caregivers' questions and your questions. Thanks for posing them. And today we're going to talk about what are countable assets for Medicaid qualification purposes. Well, countable assets are defined in context with its cousin exempt assets. Exempt assets are home, car, prepaid bill, and personal things at home. And then everything else is countable. So let's talk about a few of the countable assets.
So what you do is get a piece of paper and list everything that you own. All of your bank accounts, brokerage accounts, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs, land, personal property, everything that you own. And then take out the exempt.
Yeah.
So that's really easy. Once you got it all listed, you take out the house, the prepaid burial, it's irrevocable contract,
The car.
One
vehicle.
vehicle, and the personal items that are in the house. So everything else is over here in this category, countable.
So that means if mom has got a checking account, a savings account, an IRA,
certificates of deposit,
brokerage account,
annuities,
so
life insurance,
a second house, vacant land, farmland out in the country,
rental properties,
yeah,
commercial properties,
all of that, mineral rights, yeah, all of those things are countable assets. And countable means they're counted, in which is not a good thing when you're applying for Medicaid. Those are things that are counted, and a plan has to be. A plan doesn't have to be done. A lot of times people just spend them down, sell them and spend
that's
them.
right. That's one of the options. You can write a check to the nursing home every month and spend all the money down, sell the properties, cash in everything, and pay. Or you could develop a plan and preserve some of the assets, some of the property, and qualify to get some help paying for the long-term care.
Right. Yeah, and sometimes people want to spend everything down. They just don't, and in which case you ask, which of these countable assets do we liquidate first? Is this account, is this the one we're going to spend first and spend for nursing home care? And then which one's second, which one's third? And so you kind of set up a pecking order of how you're going to liquidate things, and then hope you don't run into any glitches down the road after all of the money is gone that would create a gap in coverage.
And glitches is a technical term.
Right. So countable assets, everything that's not an exempt asset is a countable asset. Hope that answered your question today. For more information about how you can protect some of your assets from long-term care spend down, check out the description below. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you on a future video.
And have a great day.